Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. I just took in this beautiful 2018 Ram 1500. This is the quad cab. This is a nice Delmonico red exterior. It does have the black top package, so it's got all the black wheels, black badging. Windows are already tinted. And the best thing about this vehicle, it has 6,900 miles on it, so you can take a look there. Automatic headlights with fog lights. Really clean vehicle inside and out. It does have the Sirius XM capability, and it actually that's also the backup camera as well, so it does have a integrated backup camera in it. Cruise control, obviously power windows, power door locks, and this does actually have the option to the center console can fold up and be used as a seat, so you can actually sit 6 adults in here. It was purchased here locally at Firkins. Everything was maintained by the owner here at the dealership. And yes, it does have an exhaust system and a spray and bed liner. Really nice truck with only 6,000 miles on it. I mean, you really can't go wrong. To find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.